Hello, we're doing a review today on the Landyachtz switchblade. It's a pretty good board, as you can see. 180mm trucks. Pretty good. Nice graphic. It says Landyachtz switchblade. We have orangutan wheels on the board. A-back 36s. Go really fast, especially when you're bombing those hills. Some pretty good grip tape, extra grippy.
It's like vicious.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Good hardware. Look at this wood. It's made out of carbon fiber and bamboo.
And hard rock maple.
It's a pretty good board. The price range is between $200 to $230, depending on what you want on your board. And it comes with extra holes unless you want to move the trucks up further.
The trucks are Bear Grizzly 852s.
Those are really good trucks.
Stable high speeds.
And I'm going to have a flex test right now.
As you can see, no flex at all. Really stable at high speeds.
So as you can see, it's a pretty good board. I think you should go out and buy it. It's the best longboard I have. It's really fast. It's really fast.
But top speed was at least 60 miles per hour.
It's really fast. Look at these wheels. They're extra slidey.
Grip when you need to grip. Slide when you need to slide.
And it's just a altogether good board. I love it. That concludes my review on this board.
Check out our website at
ballsacks.com. Alright.
Abson's Longboards.
Alright. See you later.